Hey guys, it's Jules with DIY with Jules and welcome back to my channel. I have not seen you guys in a while and there is a reason for it. Myself and my husband have been working on our spiritualism and working on ourselves, and we decided that we were going to take a little break from social media. We have decided to join a church called Center for Families. In Spanish is Centro de la Familia Cristiana. We are bilingual, and if anyone is in the Spring Hill area, we would love to have you come and visit. We have moved to a new location, and the pastors have asked me to create an area where we can meet and greet with newcomers. My daughter and I are taking this, we're tackling this project together, and we are about to go out and go shopping and make sure that we have everything together for this project. So stay tuned. Because the area is so small, I sat down with my clients and asked them what exactly they wanted for the space. So they expressed wanting a coffee area and also an area where we can put as many seats as possible. So we went with a mini coffee bar or a mini serving station and a few benches. Now, going online is very expensive, so we decided to go thrifting. And our first stop was a local Goodwill where we picked up this awesome bench. We managed to get there at a 50% sale, and this bench only cost me $25. The next stop was another thrift store where we found two different items. I got this awesome table and this beautiful server for only $25. Now that we know what furniture pieces we're going to put in the area, we went to Hobby Lobby and we picked up a few decorations. And now that we have everything we need, we are going to take these pieces of furniture home and we are going to start painting. The pastor decided on a rustic theme, and that's where we're going now. Now that I have the pieces home, I'm going to be using my liquid sander that I always use to take the shine off of some of the pieces that have varnish. I'm going to take off the hardware and I'm going to paint those a little later. Now, we have some chalk paint at home that I already had on hand, and I'm going to use that to make it easier for me to paint with the actual color that I have, which is another light gray chalk paint. Now this is the first coat of paint and I absolutely love it, but we're going with the gray. And while I'm tackling the cabinet, my daughter will be tackling the benches. I will be actually making a side bench from that long table that I found. I will be adding wood to make it stronger and adding legs. I purchased these legs in Amazon just a few weeks ago, and I used those. They're metal and they're very strong, and it gave the bench a really cute look. Now that both benches are painted, we decided to take a dry brush and go around the edges because it had this really cute design. And so I went over it really lightly so that the design will pop out. And we went ahead and painted the legs of the bench in a black also. In addition to helping the edges pop, I took this trim and I decided to use that in front to cover the holes of the extra wood that I added. The light color of the wood will add to some of the wall decor that I bought to put in the area. It is what time? 11 o'clock? 11:45, and I started this at 6 a.m. and this thing over there joined me about 10. Ooh, long day, guys. Let me show you the finished products. This is the pretty bench, and then look at this gorgeous piece. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys. Well, I also purchased these awesome lanterns which match the trim on the bench at Five Below. And I am going to be adding some puck lights to them so that we can add an additional lighting to the room. Well, guys, here we are at the Center for Christian Families. In Espanol is Centro de la Familia Cristiana. Okay, so it is install day and we are ready to put all the furniture into the space and redecorate. We decided to buy some wallpaper and put it on the back wall behind all of the benches, and it's going to look so absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait for you guys to see. One thing that I do need to mention, that in this area there is a door that goes to the office next door, and so we decided to cover it with poster board and then put the wallpaper on it. Now this is not any ordinary wallpaper. This is poster board paper. It's very durable, and once we finish using it, we can take it out and use it somewhere else. And guys, one thing that I do want to mention, my daughter had a baby about 6 weeks ago, and she had it by C-section, and I don't want her up on the ladder. This is the reason why I am up there. Usually I won't do this type of work, but because it's only us two, I preferred it to be me than her. I didn't want her to get hurt in any way. We finished the paper. We are going to put up the lantern, and we only put 3 up because the 4th was going to be a little bit too hard with the drop ceiling to put up. We ended up going all the way down with the paper. I was trying to save paper, but we went all the way down because once we put the bench in, you could see the bottom. So we went ahead and put the bench in, and we placed the rug, and now it's time to put all the furniture in. And now it's time to finish our decorating, put in our finishing touches, and put everything on our coffee station. I believe that the client's vision absolutely came to life. It is beautiful, it's warm, it's inviting, and we can actually sit, have a sip of coffee, and talk to our new guest. And this is the final look. And here is one of our pastors, Pastor Maritza, enjoying the warm seating area that was created for our visitors. Well, guys, that is all for now. I thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye. Well, guys, again, thank you so much for stopping by to DIY with Jules.